Is your 2021 Silverado key fob not working? Common signs include poor range or no response when pressing buttons. The most frequent problem is a dead battery. The fob uses a CR2032 lithium battery. If the range is poor or it's unresponsive, replace the battery. To replace the battery, gently pry open the fob with a small screwdriver, being careful not to damage the circuit board. ESD-safe tools are best. Once replaced, try the relearn procedure. Get in your Silverado and put it in accessory mode. Cycle the ignition and press the lock-unlock buttons on the fob following the prompts on your infotainment screen. This reprograms the fob to your truck's body control module. Most issues are resolved with these steps, saving you a trip to the dealer. Remember, 80% of fob problems are battery-related, so start there. If a new battery and the relearn procedure don't solve the problem, the receiver might need a reset. The receiver is the BCM's antenna. Disconnect your Silverado's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear potential glitches. This recalibrates the RF signals. For persistent issues, an OBD2 scanner can help clear BCM codes, especially lost communication codes like U0100. Apps like Torque Pro offer guides for this. However, if problems continue after these steps, there might be deeper issues like a faulty BCM or corrosion in the fob's circuit. Expert technicians advise that if the receiver reset fails or if the key fob still is not working, seek professional help to avoid voiding warranties. Dealers offer diagnostics and replacements, costing $200 to $500.